Stoplight TV is powered by the new Honda Bravo, the people's bike, a product of Filipino ingenuity. Mag-Bravo ka na! With its beautiful beaches and mountains full of life, Palawan is truly without a doubt one of the best places on earth. But that day, Palaweños were there for another reason, to witness and be part of the much-anticipated race of the 17th leg of the Honda One Make Race XRM Super Moto Challenge.
Mukhang loves na loves mo na yung mga Honda One Make Races. What can you say about your winning today?
Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa kay Lord. Binigyan niya ako ng lakas. Tsaka sa mga sponsor ko na laging tumutulong sa akin, Access Plus. Well, yung race ngayon, mahirap. Nakuha ko sa tiyaga. Magaling din yung si Don eh. Nakuha ko na sa tiyaga. Yun. Tsaka first time ko rin first place sa both category. Kaya sinuwerte ako.
So, sa mga susunod bang One Make Races ng Honda, dami ko pa rin ba?
Siguro, yung masyadong malayo, di na muna. Yung lang kaya natin. Pag may mag-sponsor, di okay.
Nel, first place yan, dalawa, no? Hindi lang ba to first time?
Bali, pang-apat ko na tong sali. Pang-lima pala. Wala sa report. Opo. Hanggang dito sa last dito sa Palawan. Sa siguro sa susunod na mga karera ng Honda, baka pupunta pa rin kami to support.
What can you say about the track now? Medyo mabilis, no? Mabilis ba? What can you say about it? At saka yung mga local riders dito, kumusta naman?
Okay naman yung mga local riders, mabibilis naman. Okay naman sila lahat. Medyo tsaga lang talaga, kaya nakapasok.
Riders were fired up with their engines roaring, and race day was greeted with a scorching hot weather. But everyone kept smiling and their heads up high as they cheered for their favorite riders, making sure not to miss any single detail of the race. Riders of Palawan were kept wanting and preparing for this race weekend, so it wasn't a surprise that their families and friends flocked to the Palawan National High School to support them and witness the intense action of the race.
So, Mary Ann, what can you say about our race today?
Well, masasabi ko lang, it's a great challenge for us, for all of us, especially for me. Actually, this is my first time to join this kind of racing. At isa pa, talagang mahilig din akong sa motor, mahilig din talaga ako magmotor, and I really like to join. So, nagkaroon ng pagkakataon this time, so I grabbed the opportunity, so sumali po talaga ako.
Sa mga stoplight fans natin, especially ladies, sumali kayo sa mga future races ng Honda One Make Race. Kasama pa ito, meron kaming ladies race. So we have our winner here for the Princesa leg, 17th leg of Honda XRM Supermoto Challenge. Mary Ann, our winner. Congrats, Mary Ann.
Thank you, sir.
And see you again on our next race. Thank you very much. We have here the main man of Speed Gear Sports Incorporated, Mr. Joey Almeida, motorcycle enthusiast himself. Joey, what can you tell us? Can you tell us about our race today?
We had over 100 plus entries. Was very successful, and the Palawan people really liked it. So another Honda success. Well, it's very promising in Palawan. Every year they have international races here. There are a lot of bikers, so hopefully Honda can bring back the races here again.
We'll do that. Of course, with our organizer here, Mr. Joey Almeida of Speed Gear Sports Incorporated, we will have more and more Honda One Make Races all over the Philippines. Joey Almeida, can you say something?
Well, hopefully you can watch our next races. I think the next one would be in Dumaguete, then end of the month, no?
Yes.
Then there's one at Fort at December 8th, and so many more to come.
Yes. As mentioned by Joey, our next race will be in Dipolog this coming October 20. And then in November, we will have one again in Dumaguete. And in December, we will have one at the Fort Taguig. So what's out? Please visit our website for further announcements. Stoplight TV, again, your number one.
Walang humpay ang pagbabakride ng nangungunang two-wheel and four-wheel motoring and motorsports show. Kabarkada, saan ka man naroroon sa buong mundo, kapamilya ka pa rin at panigurado na ikaw ay suportado na nag-iisang tunay mong best friend. Bringing to you almost 100% of Philippine motorsports. You're watching the award-winning Stoplight TV. Stoplight TV is powered by the new Honda Bravo, the people's bike, a product of Filipino ingenuity. Mag-Bravo ka na!